I came outside to talk about the lens that I've used the most. The M.Zuiko 12-40mm f2.8 Pro zoom lens. Stick around and see what I have to say about the lens. Hi there, I'm Peter Forsgaard, an Olympus visionary from Helsinki, Finland. And before we start to talk about the 12-40mm f2.8 Pro zoom lens, please consider to subscribe to my channel. My channel is all about you getting to be a better photographer. And don't forget to hit that bell so you get notified when there's a new video online. I post videos every Tuesday and every Friday. Yes, it's actually almost spring. Not quite here yet, but it's getting there. And you know what the best part of winter is? It's the spring that comes after it. As I said in the beginning, the 12-40mm f2.8 Pro zoom lens is the lens that I have used the most. I actually, for this video, I checked my old images that I've taken, and then from Lightroom I checked how many images I have taken with the lens. And I have one catalog that has 122,000 images in it. It's not my only catalog, and I checked the amount of images that I've taken with the 12-40mm f2.8 Pro zoom lens, and it was 32,000. So almost 25% of all of my images are taken with this camera, or not this camera, but this lens. And that's quite a lot, and that's why I find this lens very, very interesting. What is your most used lens? Please tell me in the comments down below. It will be interesting to hear what lens is your most used lens. My second most used lens is the 40-150mm f2.8 Pro zoom lens, and in the same catalog I had 22,000 images taken with that. So almost half of my images are taken with this zoom and the 40-150mm f2.8 zoom. And that's because I quite often in venues use two cameras. The other one has this one on, and the other camera has the 40-150mm zoom on it. So that's why those two lenses, or these two lenses, are the most used lenses that I use. That was funny to say. Let's say again. That's why these two lenses are the lenses that I used the most. Now it went better. The reason I like this lens is the focal length range. The 12mm is very good for landscapes, cityscapes, and that kind of photography. But then you have 40mm that is great for portraits. So you could actually, if you only have one lens, this could be the upgrade from your kit lens, because it has a similar focal length range. I got this lens 2014 when I first got my EM1 camera, and it was a kit lens then on that particular body for me. And I've used it quite a lot, as you probably already know, because I've told you so. And I've also used it in a variety of different things. But before we get into the specs of this lens, let's look at some images. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the images. I did. Not because it was my images, but because I was able to go back in years down the memory lane to check out my old images. And have you gone back to your old images? What do you think about your images? Nostalgic? Does it bring up memories? And what are your favorite memories about photography? Please let me know down in the comments below. And actually, what was a bit of a shock when I watched those and looked at my old images was that, to be honest, I don't think I've gotten any better in the last 3 years of my photography. I do pretty much the same images that I did 3 years ago, and that needs to change. And I will start to post images to my Instagram more regularly. So if you want to follow along, if I get any better in the next 3 years, follow my Instagram account. Did you check out your images, your old images? What did you think about them? Have you gotten any better in the last 3 years or so? If you have not, what are your plans of getting better? And if you have, how will you continue to get better? And now it's time for the specs. And it's better if I write them down on the video instead of talking them, because I will forget something if I don't write them down. So here are the specs. I needed to come into the woods behind the trees because the sun is starting to shine too much and it's too bright for videography, because it's not because of the amount of light, but the straight sunlight is not very flattering on a person's face, so I need to come into the shade so the light is a lot better here. What I did not mention or write down on the specs, that this lens is weather sealed, which like all the pro grade lenses Olympus have are weather sealed and dust proof and freeze proof. And as I said many times, that's quite important for me because I need to do some images for clients and sometimes the weather is not very nice, so I need to do images in freezing cold, in dusty conditions, and also in rain. So that's a very important thing to me. And the lens has also the function button, and you can assign different features to the function button. The functions that you can assign depends on a bit which Olympus OMD body you have. And Olympus cameras are very customizable, and this is a one extra button to customize your Olympus to your likings. And another great feature it has is the MF clutch. And the closest focusing distance is about 20 centimeters, so you can get pretty close with it. And before I make a conclusion of this M.Zuiko 12 to 40mm f2.8 lens, please consider using my Amazon affiliate links if you are planning on buying anything from Amazon or buying Olympus gear. There are links in the description of this video to my gear page in my website, where you can find the explanation what the Amazon affiliate is if you don't know what it is. That would be much appreciated if you use those links, because that will help me to make this free content twice a week for you. As you probably saw, I've used this lens a lot on my travels, and that's because on my travels I don't want to carry a lot of gear around me. So this lens is very handy on my trips because it's the focal length range from 12 to 40. As I mentioned in the beginning, it's easy and a good lens to take the cityscapes, landscapes and portraits, and that's why. And also the lens is really sharp. Even at 2.8 f-stop, it's still really sharp, like pro grade lenses should be. And the price of this lens is about €1,000 or $1,000, and that's a very good price, very reasonable price for a pro grade lens that can give you excellent results. It is a lens that I really recommend. This lens could replace your kit lens because the focal length is quite similar, but it can give you a bit of a better results. And comparing to the kit lens, remember, this one is weather sealed, so on your travels, no problem if there is a bad weather. You can make images with this combo. I've only said good things about this lens, and that's just because this is a good lens. If I have to find something that's not so good, is that this lens is a bit boring. And don't get me wrong, by boring I mean that it's a rational choice if you get this lens, because this is a lens that gets your job done, and it's a very versatile. It's a kind of like a workhorse for me, and that tells that I've taken so many images with it. It's very practical and I like to use it because it can get the job done, as I said. Have you used this lens? Please let me know in the comments down below. What are your thoughts about this lens? But hey, thanks for watching and bye for now.